How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So creating a public profile on Snapchat in 2025 is a straightforward process that can enhance your visibility and engagement on the platform. For that, open up the Snapchat application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, you want to go ahead and log in to your Snapchat account. So once you're logged into your account, tap on your profile icon right over here. And just like so, you want to go ahead and simply tap on public profile right over here. And then simply tap on OK. And just like so, inside here, you want to go ahead and tap on this pencil icon. Now you want to go ahead and add the information about your profile, which includes your bio, your location, and if you would like to show your follower count, you want to go ahead and toggle on this button. And also simply tap on the settings like icon, and from here you can even preview your profile. So this is what your public profile look like. If you would like to make changes, you simply want to go ahead and tap on this album icon and select the background for your public profile. Once done, tap on upload, and just like that, tap on apply. After creation, you can go ahead and add a profile picture and choosing any picture from your gallery. Once done, tap on confirm, and just like that, you have successfully created your public profile on Snapchat. If in case you would like to delete it, tap on the settings like icon, scroll below, then tap on clear public profile. Well, that's all it takes to make a public profile on Snapchat. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.